How's it going, you guys? Today we'll be lifting Polaris Ranger XP 900. These are the lift kits. These are for the front and these are for the rear. So what basically you do, you take all the tires. What we're going to be doing is taking this shock off. Get your 15 millimeter. Alright, so you got the shock off. Also, the shock can be also lifted. The shock can be also lifted. See, it's at the mid setting. Just keep twisting. There's a special wrench tool that you can do it, or you can just hammer and tap and turn this around, make it to the highest. So basically, for the lift, that's how it's gonna go. Basically, this is how it's gonna be. Then you put your spacer inside. Put the spacer inside here. Slide this bolt in. Now, like just like that. And you screw it back on. Then put your shock right underneath and to the other hole. There you go. Look at that, that's your lift. Simple and easy. You do the same thing to the other side. There you go, and that's your lift kit for the front. There you go. I'll show you how to do it on the rear real quick, and then basically it's the same for both sides. Then you have to take the lower shock off. Unscrew the nut in the back side. Take the bolt out. Now you take this top part off, top piece off. Put a wrench right here. This is a 5/16, and screw this one. There you go. As soon as you get it unscrewed, bring it down. Then it's for the lift kit. Okay, so this is for the rear lift kit. You have this extra bolt. This will go in that hole right there. So basically there goes this lift kit. There you go. There you go, and then you put your washer for this. Wrong one. There you go. Install your nut. The reason why it's coming through here, because it will hit your boot for the axle, CV axle. You don't want to do that. Screw this back on. Put your wrench on this side. Screw it back on. Screw it in. Install your bolt. And install your nut and washer. Then you tighten up your shock. After you tighten your shock, don't forget about this. Slide this one right in. Lift the UTV up.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, that's good.
There you go. Okay. Then you can tell your friend or someone to sit on the bed of it, or just compress the spring. Put your little wrench. And tighten it back up. You guys basically do the same thing to the other side. If you want to lift even more, this shock right here, as you can see, you have a specific wrench that you can put on to these and turn it and it'll lift it more, probably another inch. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope this helped.